All I want, yeah, only love, yeah. All I say, yeah. All I want, yeah, only love, yeah. Yo, Major Lazer.
Hey DJ, bust the tune and then pull it up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am with Brianna. For those of you who don't know Brianna, she is my neighbor and friend. And today we're here to do the Nuggets Challenge. 100 nuggets in 10 minutes. So how this works, I'm going to set my timer on my phone for 10 minutes. And we're going to see who can eat off all of the nuggets in 10 minutes basically. So Brianna, say hi now. Just say hi. Alright. The timer is at 10 minutes. And we are going to begin in wait! You never say start.
Oh God.
We are now going to begin. Ready?
Wait. Jesus, come here. You got 20 second one.
Stop work us to slow.
I'm gonna get stuck on my chest.
Where you having a drink? You can't drink some water for it.
No, that's not a challenge.
Yes, it is. Everybody will miss a drink. Them drink
Wait,
something.
no, you never know say what water minute there. You see me like when I want to watch you do your video.
Miss Mama, baby, some water though, please.
What time I start eating?
10 minutes.
Yeah, but from what time I started to
The
eat?
timer on.
Oh. You have one year for this list.
Thank you very much. Oh,
Yes, I'm make sure you get cereal. Come in want to feel hungry.
sorry for all of you who are watching this and getting hungry, so let's go.
And I've only eaten left mine.
We have 7 minutes left.
When you sure now, can make it to eat one nuggets? All true now, if you have stuff in there on the mouth one time.
We'll vomit. If you're wondering that it's swelling in the back, talking. I actually could have done a better thing I do.
You know what? It's too much nuggets. After I'm done with this, I don't want nuggets for a long time.
I'll be a party meal for the eaters.
Well, I'm not going to eat at daytime. Thank you.
My chest. Like when I watch Hatch Streams one ear keys. No man, my heart's clogging. I can't breathe, man. It's stop.
Now we have to clog on the arteries. Better just let the car one little sweet time.
Enough little fish, no?
You shouldn't double dip, you know.
I would you never ruin it ever so. Me choke. Never ruin it ever.
You can't, if somebody else is dipping their stuff in it, you can't double dip in there. You already put your mouth on the thing. Think about the logic of that. Some saliva might potentially be on that piece of nugget that gets in the ketchup.
So what do you want more ketchup now?
You know, done when it then you get more. Put up on a plate and show them when they're eating. No man.
People are watching probably like, we need to link to that box that same thing me that's when I watch their ranking on.
4 minutes now, that's enough. What? 4 minutes. Y'all gotta go harder.
You get to know back.
We're not being business, man.
We not be in business.
We're not being business. We're not shake our head. No, for the cornflakes challenge. Like a bucket of cornflakes. With milk. A box to each bucket.
Sorry. Don't forget that too.
Shami, time is going.
3 minutes and 30 minutes. Which part are you reach for that? We're not talking about too.
We're not Jeep on the thing, man. Why are you pausing?
To burn out? And some people mostly much for 1 minute and then more time.
Easy, no, Shami. I want one on the sugar and eat that like that, you know?
Hello, we're ladies. We're ladies. You must have opened my belly. 2 minutes and 41 seconds. Sorry. One minute and 50 seconds.
Yeah, one more.
23 seconds.
23 seconds, guys. Jesus, I'm not putting the plate head full. Show them on the plate. No. Why not move fast? Look at them I eat. Oh my gosh. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So
Like the timer.
yes, y'all gotta count the nuggets. Show them how y'all plates look.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead and count them.
1, 2,
Yes.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26.
Brianna won! Me know it, because I know that Brianna played look more.
Me get more than.
No, it was equal. It was equal. Trust.
I couldn't eat no more. Don't let me see your face. Me see it so much.
How do you
I couldn't go
feel?
no more.
How do you feel?
Like a bag of belch will come out.
You don't feel like you're full up a beer aisle? How you feel, Brianna?
I feel like nuggets in my back.
That was it for the Nuggets challenge. We basically failed, but Brianna won. So yeah. Like the video, subscribe for more videos, more challenge videos. Leave your thoughts down below. Sorry, alright. Yeah, leave your thoughts down below and stay tuned for next week's video. Bye!